Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So, to the point. The 2.0 Bluehdi engine, known internally by its code DW10F, is a significant and widely used diesel engine for PSA, now Stellantis. It's an evolution of the older 2.0 HD DW10 and has been refined to meet modern emission standards, particularly Euro 6. Unlike the 1.5 Bluehdi, which has faced significant camshaft chain issues, the 2.0 Bluehdi is generally considered a more robust and reliable engine within the modern diesel landscape. Review and opinions. Overall, the 2.0 Bluehdi is highly regarded by many for its combination of performance, refinement, and relative reliability for a modern diesel. Positive opinions. Owners frequently praise its strong torque delivery, making it feel effortless in various driving conditions, from city commuting to motorway cruising. It's often described as smooth and quiet, contributing to a comfortable driving experience. Its fuel efficiency is also a significant plus. Many consider it a workhorse, engine capable of high mileage if properly maintained. Cautious opinions. Like all modern diesels, it comes with the inherent complexities of emissions control systems, AdBlue, DPF, EGR, which can be costly to repair if they fail. Some users express general caution towards any Bluehdi engine due to the issues with the 1.5 Bluehdi, but it's important to differentiate. Advantages: strong performance and torque. The 2.0 Bluehdi delivers robust power and torque across its various outputs, e.g., 120 PS, 150 PS, 180 PS, providing confident acceleration and excellent pulling power for heavier vehicles. Excellent fuel economy. For its size and power, the engine is remarkably fuel efficient, especially on longer journeys. This is a primary reason for its popularity. Refinement. It's known for being a smooth and relatively quiet diesel engine, contributing to a premium feel in many vehicles it powers. Durability. Relative to other modern diesels, the core mechanicals of the 2.0 Bluehdi DW10F are generally considered robust. It doesn't suffer from the widespread, chronic timing chain issues seen in the 1.5 Bluehdi. Euro 6 compliance. Its advanced emissions control system allows it to meet stringent Euro 6D and later regulations, making it suitable for modern low-emission zones. Disadvantages. AdBlue system issues. This is the most common and significant drawback. The AdBlue SCR system, essential for meeting Euro 6 emissions, can suffer from various failures, including pump malfunctions, crystallization in the tank, or sensor errors. Repairs can be expensive, often costing hundreds to over €1,000. DPF diesel particulate filter issues. While PSA's DPF system, often with an Eolise additive, is generally considered quite effective, like any DPF, it can become clogged if the vehicle is primarily used for short, urban journeys without sufficient opportunities for regeneration. This can lead to reduced performance and costly DPF replacement. EGR valve problems. The exhaust gas recirculation EGR valve can become clogged with soot, leading to performance issues and warning lights. Dual mass flywheel, DMF, and clutch. In manuals, as with many modern diesels, the DMF and clutch can be wear items, especially in high-mileage manual transmission vehicles. Complexity of emission systems. The various components required for Euro 6 compliance, AdBlue, DPF, multiple sensors, complex EGR, add layers of complexity and potential failure points that older, simpler diesels didn't have. Faults and breakdowns. The main areas of concern for the 2.0 Bluehdi are concentrated around its emissions control systems. AdBlue system failures. This is by far the most reported issue. Symptoms include AdBlue fault, messages, countdowns to vehicle immobilization, engine warning lights, and eventually limp mode. Failure can be due to the pump, the tank, which often integrates the heater and sender, or related sensors. DPF clogging. Less of a fault and more a consequence of unsuitable driving patterns. If the DPF does not get enough high-temperature regeneration cycles, e.g., short city trips, it can clog, leading to reduced performance and error messages. EGR valve issues. Carbon buildup can cause the EGR valve to stick, leading to rough idling, reduced power, and fault codes. Turbocharger issues. While not as common as in some older, less robust turbo designs, any forced induction engine can experience turbo failures, especially if oil changes are neglected. High-pressure fuel pump, HPFP, and injector issues. Generally reliable, but these complex components can fail, leading to significant repair costs. Fuel quality plays a role here. Fuel consumption. The 2.0 Bluehdi is known for its excellent fuel efficiency. Combined, real-world figures typically range from 5.0 to 7.0 L/100 km, approximate 40 to 56 miles per gallon imperial, depending on the vehicle, power output, and driving style. Highway. On long motorway runs, it can achieve impressive figures, often in a range of 4.0 to 5.5 L/100 km, approximate 51 to 70 miles per gallon imperial. City. Urban driving will naturally see higher consumption, typically 7.0 to 9.0 L/100 km, approximate 31 to 40 miles per gallon imperial. Timing. The 2.0 Bluehdi engine uses a timing belt to drive the camshafts. This is a key difference from the problematic camshaft chain in the 1.5 Bluehdi. Replacement interval. The timing belt generally has a long replacement interval, typically around 150,000 kilometers to 180,000 kilometers or 10 years, whichever comes first. It is crucial to adhere to this schedule, as a snapped belt will cause severe engine damage. Associated components. When replacing the timing belt, it's highly recommended to also replace the water pump and tensioners, as these components often wear out at similar rates, and doing them all at once saves labor costs. The crankshaft pulley, which can have a rubber dampener, should also be inspected and replaced if showing signs of wear. Oil. Type. The 2.0 Bluehdi requires specific low-ash, low-SAPS, synthetic engine oil to protect the DPF and catalytic converter. The most common specifications are 0W30 or 5W30 with AC as C2. Sometimes C3 is also acceptable depending on the specific engine variant. It's crucial to use oil that meets PSA's specific approvals, e.g., PSA B712312 or PSA B712290. Capacity. The oil capacity is typically around 4.5 to 6.0 liters, depending on the specific engine variant, e.g., 150 horsepower versus 180 horsepower, and vehicle. Always check the vehicle's owner's manual for the precise capacity and specification. Importance of correct oil and regular changes. Using the correct low-SAPS oil is vital for the longevity of the DPF. Adhering to regular oil change intervals. Many recommend reducing the manufacturer's longer intervals, especially if driving primarily in urban conditions. Helps maintain engine health and prevent carbon buildup. Versions. The 2.0 Bluehdi DW10F engine comes in several power output variants to suit different vehicle sizes and performance requirements. Common versions include 120 PS, 118 horsepower, 150 PS, 148 horsepower, 180 PS, 178 horsepower, often found in GT line/GT models, sometimes with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. These variants generally share the same core engine architecture but differ in turbocharger, fuel injection mapping, and other ancillaries to achieve different power outputs. History. Predecessor. The 2.0 Bluehdi is a direct evolution of a long-standing and well-regarded 2.0 HD DW10 engine family, which has been in production since the late 1990s. Introduction of Bluehdi. The Bluehdi designation was introduced by PSA to signify engines equipped with selective catalytic reduction (SCR) technology using AdBlue, designed to meet Euro 6 emission standards. The 2.0 Bluehdi was introduced around 2013 to 2015, progressively replacing earlier 2.0 HD engines. Widespread application. It has been widely adopted across a vast range of vehicles within the Stellantis, formerly PSA, group, and even in some Ford models, where it's known as the Eco Blue or Duratorque TDCi. Peugeot 308, 3008, 5008, 508, Traveler, Expert Boxer. Citroen C4 Picasso/Grand Picasso, C5, C5 Aircross, Space Door, Jumpy, Dispatch Relay. DS Automobiles, DS4, DS5, DS7 Crossback. Opel/Vauxhall, Astra, Grandland X, Combo, Vivaro, Zafira, under Stellantis ownership, previously used GM engines. Ford, Focus, Kuga, Mondeo, Galaxy, S-Max, Transit Custom, 1.5 and 2.0 Eco Blue. The 2.0 Bluehdi has cemented its place as a reliable and efficient workhorse in the diesel engine market, particularly when compared to its smaller 1.5-liter counterpart. While it requires diligent maintenance of its complex emission systems, the core engine is generally considered very durable. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.